ताजा अंगूर
Hello, Forest Manager. We need an elephant for the zoo. Please send one as soon as possible.
Okay, sir.
पूड़ा लाचियां बदामाला खंड के ओवला पीछा केले ताजा अंगूर खाओ पाई जाते हैं ताजा साफ सुथरे चितरी वाले केले
Dad. I want a cow that I can play with and spend time with.
Hi, dear son. Okay, let's go to the livestock market right now and get you a nice cow.
ਦੇ ਟਾਂਕੇ ਵਧੇੜ ਕੇ ਫੱਟ ਗੈਰ ਦੇ ਸੀ
Hello, sir. I'm here to buy a good cow for my son. Don't worry about the price. Just show me a nice one that my boy will like.
Hi sir, so you're buying a cow to keep at home. We have some excellent breeds available. They give plenty of milk and are very friendly.
This is the cow that fits your requirements perfectly.
Okay, now I need to take it to my farm. How can I transport it there?
Sir, you can hire a truck driver and ask him to drop it off for you.
All right, that sounds good.
Hello, truck driver. Come quickly to the livestock market. I've bought a cow. Please deliver it to my home.
Okay, I'm on my way now. I'm leaving from here.
ਇਹ 4 ਦਿਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗਾਨੀ ਹੈ ताजा साफ सुथरे चितरी वाले केले में